Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Access Tech. In this video, we are going to compare between two well-known project management tools, Asana and Basecamp. And I will explain it in a way that is easy to understand, and even if you are a beginner or just starting to learn about this tool, you will understand also. And I will speak slowly and I will repeat important points so it feels like we are just talking. But before we start, don't forget to check the description below. I have added all the official link and the updated information if anything changes later. So just go and check it out. Alright, so let's get started with Asana. Asana is a project management tool that is very popular with teams who want something organized and clean. And this time Asana still focuses on tasks, deadlines and workflow. You can create tasks, assign them to team members and track the progress easily. They have also made automation better this year, so some repetitive work can be done by automatically. Many people like Asana because it feels easy to follow and the layout is very clear and you can switch between list view and board view or calendar view. But one thing to remember is that Asana can start to feel limited if you want everything in one tool like documents, time tracking and deep reporting. You might need to connect with other apps for some things. So now let's talk about Basecamp. It is more about simple communication and organization in one place. This year, Basecamp is still very focused on keeping things straightforward. You get message boards, to-do list, schedules, file storage and a group chat, all inside one platform. The idea is to make it feel like your whole team is working in one big online room. The good part is Basecamp is very easy to start with. You don't need a long time to learn. But compared to Asana, Basecamp doesn't have a many advanced feature for detailed project tracking or automation. It's more for teams who want a simple and relaxed way to work together. So if you compare them directly, Asana is better if your team wants structured project tracking, multiple views and some automation to make life easier. Other side, Basecamp is better if you want a friendly, simple and all-in-one space for communication and basic tasks without too much complexity. And this time, my honest opinion is if your team works on many detailed projects at the same time, Asana will probably give you more control. If your team wants something that can be very easy and you care more about communication than tracking very detail, then Basecamp will make you happy. So this was the video for today. Now I hope you understand the difference between Basecamp and Asana, and now you understand which one is a better choice for you. So if you found this video helpful, then please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.